To all my guests right now, my friends at Love Skin Clinic, my spoiled brats, my 316 Media, and to all my family who's here tonight, maraming salamat po sa pagpunta. Ready na ba kayo? Hindi kami ready, so we'll see. And I hope you enjoy the movie, and please, sa lahat ng mga social media nyo, please support us, please post about us, and tell your friends and family, palabas na po kami. Sa September 10 na po. Maraming salamat!
Good evening po sa inyo lahat. Maraming salamat sa lahat po ng pumunta kahit Monday ngayon. Alam ko maulan din po sa labas, pero thank you guys for staying dry and staying with us tonight. Hope you guys enjoy the movie, and again, just like JC said, sana i-share nyo sa mga socials nyo ang aming movie para maipakita natin sa iba't ibang tao pa. Maraming salamat. Hi mom, hi dad, love you.
Hi! Ayan, salamat sa pagsuporta sa katuloy ng kwento ni Fidel tsaka ni Stella. So, 8 years since yung original movie, and I'm very happy na alam may pakialam pa rin kayo sa mangyayari kay Fidel tsaka kay Stella. So it has been a very winding road papunta dito sa pelikulang ito, and I'm just so happy na nandito tayo ngayon para panoorin itong product of love namin. Ayun.
Thank you so much. First, thank you to our friends and family for being here tonight. Ang hirap manood ng sine on a Monday, especially a Monday na umuulan. So we really appreciate everybody who came tonight. Our friends from the press who are here. I also want to thank my managers who are here, my brother who's here, my cousins, my Star Magic family, my W Talent Management family, Dreamscape family, thank you so much for being here. And yes, to all our friends, maraming salamat. Yes, they're here. Sana po ma-enjoy niyo yung movie. If you do like it, please help us spread the word. You know that it's kind of hard to make a movie nowadays. So we did this with so much love, and so we hope you feel the love when you watch the film. Maraming salamat. Direk, maraming salamat.
Hindi mapuputong yung staff. Pwede ko ba kayong tawarin dito? Sorry yung memory ko. Miss Yayo Aguila. Sino ba nandito?
Miss Yayo Aguila. Andrea Baviera, PJ Rosario, Tranks Rich, and to all the staff po na isang awit para kay Stella.
Staff.
Yes, iniimbitahan po namin kayo to join us for a photo op.
Si Miss Acris, ang aming associate producer. Si Noel, nandito ba si Noel, our DOP? Pao Protasio, our music scorer. Lars Magbano, our... Si Noah, nandito ba? Punta na kayo dito, guys. Shy type ba?
Ayan, sino pa yung mga kasama natin dito? Huwag kayong mahiya. Tumakbo na kayo pababa para magkaroon tayo ng a moment of what do you call it?
Pati yung mga nasa post-prod. Jen.
Post-prod.
Jen si Magala, our script con. Tara.
Script con.
Si Marion, ayan. Andrea. Vico Manalo. Alamat mo. All black, diba? Pag may hindi naka-black, hindi pwede umakyat. Ayan, ano ang ating production team. Dito kayo. Group picture tayo. Kompleto na. Ito ang ating mga production assistants. Si Aika, ang ating assistant director.
Alright, kumpleto na ba? May ano na ba? Meron po bang nahit? Alright, ituloy-tuloy na natin ang photo op. Kasama ang buong cast, of course, and staff na bumubuo sa isang daang awit para kay Stella. At syempre, kailangan may contact with our audience pa direct. Let's face it, the screen. Sa ating stars, please don't go away.